Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we'll have to do with a very big question: how can we create multiple Gmail accounts on the same device? So how can I create tons of Gmail accounts on one device? So I'll be showing you guys a very sharp method or app that you can actually use to create multiple Gmail accounts without using verification or other stuff like that. So let's just go ahead to open your Play Store, and I'll be showing you these very sharp updates which you can use to create a lot of accounts right here. So on your search, let's just go ahead to search for temp mail. So the name of the app you'll be using here is going to be temp mail. So let's use temp mail and let's search for this. So as you can see this here, so this is the app you have to use here, temp mail. So I'll go ahead to install temp mail on my device so we can actually get this. So if you are here in this channel, let me put you through. If this is your first time here, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead to use temp mail to clone or make different accounts on the same device. So go ahead to open the application and let's get the process started. So this is it. So for example, you get to open your app and the first thing you have actually seen here is one email. So you have seen I've gotten a temporary email address and can go ahead to copy the email address and use it for whatever verification I want to use. So this one does not allow you to get whatever ask for verification this or verification that. So I've gotten an email address here. I can use this to run a lot of things that I actually want to do, and if you really don't like this, you want to use the next one, just click here on change and you get another email address. So for example, if you said okay, I want to change it, are you sure the current email address and message will be deleted now and a new mailbox will be created? So I'm not deleting this right now because I still want to use. So after using this to do whatever you want to do, you come to the inbox and check out here and you'll be receiving messages from this email and stuff. So if you plan to change this, just keep on using this application and click on changing it, and that is how to have multiple email address using the same app. So I'm just going to click on copy. So let me change this. I don't want to use this email address again, so I'm just going to go ahead to swipe on delete. And yeah, okay, they asked me to go, so I'll just watch a video, but I don't think I'm going to watch a video because I'm using ad blocker. So you can see new email address has been formed for me. I can use this to verify whatever I want to. So you can do this without using a password, this or that. So I feel like this is a very soft way of getting multiple email address. So like and sub to this YouTube channel. Thank you.